So here's a good question for you. What is the best DAW? Well, of course it's Ableton, right? Some people might think FL Studio, but that's just wrong on so many different levels. Don't even get me started on FL Studio. Well, maybe it's something from Apple, right? They make high quality software, so maybe Logic Pro, a lot of professionals use it. Or maybe it is something unexpected like Cubase, or maybe something completely different. It has to be Ableton, right? It has to be Ableton. Click Ableton. Wait, how is that wrong?
Bruh.
What? Face plant? What is face plant? Plant these nuts on your face? Plant? What the hell is it? What the hell is face plant? Bruh, it is not even a DAW. What do you mean face plant is the best DAW? Who came up with this idea? Who said that Ableton is not the best DAW? Who decided this is the best DAW? Scooby-Doo? How dare you? Who do you think you are, Scooby-Doo? Who the f you think you are to say that Ableton is not the best DAW? Who the f are you? You have been detecting, smelling, and smell that faceplant is the best DAW? Go to the doctor, check your nose, cause it doesn't f***ing work. F***ing dog, take a weapon and come to my house. There's nothing that pisses me as much as someone saying that Ableton is not on the first f***ing place of the DAW tier list. That's it. Your career is done, Scooby-Doo. I will not withstand someone saying that Ableton is not the best. Meditate. In today's video, we make a beat inside a faceplant synth. What do you mean my license is expired? Your mom is expired. The reason I picked faceplant is because it has such a big abilities. Like, check this out. You can add a group here, put it inside a group. Well, you can use a sampler here. A synthesizer, and then duplicate the group or actually create a new one and put inside the group. Well, put output first and put inside that group, let's say wavetable. So now we have two different instruments. So one of them can be kick, another can be snare, and another hi-hat. And then we would send them, like the whole drums group, into the lane 1, send to lane 1, and we're gonna process this. And then the next instrument, that instrument is gonna be like a, I don't know, a synth or something, an ARP. We're gonna put it into the lane 2, and the whole music group is gonna go into lane 3. This may get really complicated because we don't have infinite lanes. Let's start from making a simple Go automation. Let's go envelope, do it like this, and then apply that automation to, let's say, shift. Okay, this is still playing, so we need to level. There's envelope here. Okay, maybe we can apply some. So analog, and this one is like a FM modulation, something. We got a little bit of a harmonic, but we are in C, so let's go to E. We are using envelope, which is bad because it doesn't loop. So we need LFO actually. Yeah. Add a noise first, and we can add a filter after that. Apply this onto the level. Is there like a drive thing? Distortion effect. That's cool because we're filtering. So I'll put this here. Put that onto level. Like boom. We need this guy as well. Here, we'll go for a little bit, right? So that's gonna go onto the pitch envelope of the noise, which I don't see. Wait, what the fuck? Can I filter this maybe? We're getting a little bit of a transit. I think I'm just looking for a wrong thing here. A little bit of the transit here. And now I think if we add distortion, boom. I think if we do this. Okay, we're gonna stick to this for now. Not bad. So there is a very simple way to make a hi-hat. And what you do is you literally that thing, and we can speed this up, add this thing on the level. That's it. Yeah, duplicate it. All of these drums goes into the lane 1. Now we can put some effects. Oh, I know what I can do. I can use a frequency shifter because this is like a tonal one, two-tonal. Oh yeah. Oh no. Wait, I can use effects if I automate them. Big brain. Oh yeah. Then we add EQ, right? Right, so I'm gonna automate this, and then I think apply some distortion. Mix these knots 100%. Okay, add a limiter at the end. Formant filter. Oh, yes. Oh. That works. And add a multipass. What is that noise? Okay, there's a gain here. Can I automate it? There's no leakage. Okay, that's cool. Now, see, this is getting messy. I don't like that. Well, there's no dividers here. Danger. 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 Okay, we make arpeggiator. Arpeggio. What is random? 24, let's say. Check the wavetable. Okay, and do LFO. That goes up here. I think we can add here for now some wavetable. Cool. Duplicate that. Apply that onto the, well, let's say 12 this time. Okay, put this in a separate group. Add a little bit of the filter here. Lane 2. Well, like a deep one, and then some distortion. Okay, we need to make the 64, or like da-da. Okay, there we go. So we got like a little melody. Anyways, there's this guy, which is the kick. We put that kick, we reverse this. And we got a nice sidechain. Well, it's not nice yet. So here's a snare, right? So we do this. We gotta turn off the trigger on these because we want the LFO to play whenever we actually play the song. It doesn't really start the song always at the beginning, but maybe somewhere in the middle. Song. Woo! And a melody here. Put multipass on it. What can we do here? There we go. Oh. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit of the automation. Can I? That's a nice kick, by the way. Unless, wait, if I do... Well, okay, so I can do this. Yeah, so that's gonna mean that I'll do this. But this is gonna be like third section for the end. So here, and then this is gonna be quiet. Right, so then we go into this one. This is gonna be the second section, and I'm gonna automate the macro 5 to the mixes. Okay, it's gonna have the automation of macro 5, and that's gonna be playing on the second part right here. So that's it. Let's now resample it. Cool. So this is what we got. Speed it up, slow it down, let's see. We made this in a flippin' synthesizer. This kick is pretty decent though, actually. That's cool. We haven't used any samples here, so we can easily pitch this up and down. It's pretty good. See? Highest quality stretching possible. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed and hope you learned something. Check out Oversampled.us if you want to get some highest quality samples and presets. Check this out. There's a cinematic pack has been recently released. If you're looking for plugins because you have a need for amazing plugins, check out plugins.oversampled.us. You can get Punch, you can get OCS. Punch is a transient shaper, multi-band transient shaper, and there's a cassette simulation. Have a nice day and see ya in the next one.